Hey guys, welcome to Winning 11. If you are new to this channel, then search Winning X1 and join our channel. This is a new channel, so there are only 155 members. I post Dream 11 teams daily. So today I'll talk about this unique app called Exchange 22. So I'll tell you about all the features of this app. So so if you select a particular match, you can see there are two options, that is one buy or sell and one is multi-bagger. So if you click on buy or sell, I'll explain you both buy and sell option. So if you feel that this particular player will perform today and he will bring more points, like take a player Christian Benteke. So if you feel this player will perform well today and he will get overall points more than 21, then you can buy couple of shares of this player. And if you feel this player will not perform today, you can sell couple of shares of this player. Okay, so now coming to the to explain you better, I will take a help of this winning calculator. Okay, suppose you purchase a player, so that player price was 21 and you purchased only one share, and suppose he got 40 points, so we can see the net profit will be 19. So in that way, if you purchase 10 shares of that particular player, then it will get multiplied and the profit will be 190. Okay, so now let's come to like what is sell player. Suppose the sell rate was 18, and if the player got only 10 points, then you are like selling a player because you think that this player will not perform today. So you can see the net profit is 8 rupees. In that way, if you purchase like couple of shares, it will be the profit will be higher. Okay, so I think you got what is buy player and what is sell player. Okay, now I'll show you what is multi-bagger. Okay, so suppose if you feel like only this particular player will bring highest point today in this particular match, in the match between Crystal Palace and Aston Villa. Suppose if you feel this Christian Benteke will get the highest point, so you will hold couple of share of this player and you can see the estimate return. So it will be, suppose you are holding one share, it will be estimate return will be 21.62 times. So you can multiply, so it will be around 210 rupees if you hold one share of this particular player. But you need to select the best player who will bring the highest points. This is premium. Sorry, if you switch to premium, if you switch to premium multi-bagger, then there are only 5 players and the whole price of that particular share will be 50 rupees, and you need to select a player and you will get the estimate return of 4 times, like whatever the estimate return it will show, it will get multiplied with a 50. So I think these options are clear, like buy, sell and multi-bagger and premium multi-bagger. Now I'll talk about today's match actually. Okay, so this is a suggestion like I made for today's match. The match is between Aston Villa and Crystal Palace. Okay, so Aston Villa is expected to win this match, but anything can happen. And so if you buy Minks, it will be very safe actually, because these passes are last 3 passes, and they played against Manu, Everton. So, but still he has got this many passes, and since he's a defender, I covered the tackles because there is a tackle point, and this goal and assist is of overall season. So this Minks can give you points through passes, and for every passes you will get half points. So suppose if he gets 40 passes on average, here only you will get 20 points, and Then if you played more than 55 minutes, there are several points for that. So I think Ming is a very safe pick for today. So Minks will be a very safe pick for today. No way, no doubt in that. And since Watkins is not playing, then Anwar Hill Ghazi is also a good choice. So these are the passes he made recently, but you need to notice that they played against Manu, Everton, and obviously the other teams have dominated the most of the halves. And this Traore is also good. Like he has so many passes like 19, 17, and 18, and he has 6 goals and 5 assists in this season. So he is also a good choice. Now coming to the Crystal player team, you can see Christian Benteke. Like he is in good form actually. He scored goal like in last couple of matches. So like 8 goals and 2 assists overall in this season. So he's also a good pick. And Easy is also a like good pick, like with 4 goals and 5 assists, and his passes is almost average is 30. So here only you'll get like 15 points plus 55 minutes, like 4 points extra, like 20 points you got here only. Then if he scores a goals or assists, like it will be a bonus. And I didn't add any players in the sell option because I feel that because all the selling price is bit low and it will be very risky to pick any player over there. In the multi-bagger option, I feel T Minks and Anwar El Ghazi will be the good choice uh, because Watkins is not playing today. So I think Anwar El Ghazi can be a crucial pick. And T Minks obviously a safe choice. And the multi-bagger premium, it will be a very risky call if you pick easy, but among the option, I feel he's the best choice. So that's it, and please subscribe this channel and let me know in the comment section if there is any way I can improve myself or any suggestion you guys want to give. Thank you guys.